In this lesson, we're going to learn about list items and we're going to build our navigation bar. So to start off, I'm going to disable the CSS and also this figure element. And in here, I'm going to type UL, a UL element. It has an opening and a closing tag. That's because it's going to contain certain elements, and those elements are LI, which stands for list item. And those have an opening and a closing tag. So UL stands for unordered list. I'm going to type here item 1, hit save. Okay, it's an unordered list, meaning it has no numbers. If you want one with numbers, you do an ordered list with an OL. There we go. It has a number. Perfect. Let's go back to UL. Now, list items behave as block elements, meaning they will stack vertically. They will not go in one line. But you can override that with CSS. I'm going to go ahead and put this style sheet back and let's see what happened to that UL. There we go. We have it in a row. I'm going to get rid of this text that I don't need anymore. Okay, I'm going to add some anchor tags. And I'm just going to put a pound symbol there. Close the opening tag for the anchor and have another anchor closing tag here. Okay, perfect. So now these are links inside of a list item, and that should add the default link styles. Perfect. I can have this outside of my header for a different style that I've prepared. So these are different ways that you can have an app. You can have it below a header or inside a header. As a matter of fact, you could have it as a sidebar or off canvas. If you notice that all of my content is wrapped by a div that has a class of center, and that is because I have styles for sidebars. I'm just gonna go ahead and type those up real quick, as well as a bar to toggle it, triggering some JavaScript functions. Let's take a look. Isn't that neat? Okay. Now I can also copy this unordered list and put it on the sidebar, for example. And let's see what that looks like. Awesome. Beautiful. Okay, so there we go. We have learned how to use lists. Remember, if you want to see what this stuff looks like without styles, just remove the CSS, take a look. All right, there we go. We learned about list items and how they can be used. We're going to keep building up our page